Field Control's FAPV-L, or Fresh Air Power Ventilator Lite, is designed to provide verifiable mechanical ventilation that meets ASHRAE 62.2 residential ventilation standard. The new, smaller, yet powerful design makes installation a breeze. The FAPV-L can be configured to run continuously or intermittent to efficiently manage humidity and fan operation. Managed fresh outdoor air enters through a screened intake air hood that's ducted into the Fresh Air Power Ventilator Lite. The fresh air is distributed by the FAPV-L into the HVAC ducted return air system or into a designed mechanical ventilation closet. The FAPV-L operates continuously or intermittently based on code requirements. When used with the Field Control's FCMC or FAVC, it provides dynamic ventilation in response to relative humidity and temperature. The FAPV-L Fresh Air Power Ventilator Lite has electronic speed control, which allows the installer to dial in the specific fresh air ventilation volume to meet intermittent or continuous standard requirements, such as ASHRAE 62.2, ASHRAE 62.1, the International Residential Code, the International Mechanical Code, California Energy Commission Title 24, and others. A MERV 8 8x8x2 filter comes standard with the unit. A MERV 13 filter or washable MERV 6 filter are available as optional accessories. Finally, the FAPV-L is equipped with a backdraft damper that minimizes unwanted ventilation during the off-cycle. To learn more about ventilation and indoor air quality, visit Field Controls.